Hello, I am Charmaine Giselle Buchanan, and I will be talking about the culture in the Philippines. In my first slide, I am gonna discuss the languages and dialects coming from the Philippines. Filipinos, which refers to the people and language of the Philippines. 185 ethno-linguistic groups that make up the Philippines, each group having its own language, identity, culture, and history. There are regions and provinces in the island with groups who speak the same dialect that populate each community. As you can see in this photo, there are 8 major dialects. So the two that I speak are Tagalog and Ilocano. I'm not really fluent in Ilocano or really understand it, but in Tagalog I do understand it the most. Tagalog is the most popular language that Filipinos understand. It's the basis of our language, which also borrows Spanish words after the Spanish rule in the Philippines, claimed by the editors of Encyclopedia Britannica. In my family, my dad's side speaks Tagalog and my mom's side speaks Ilocano. Filipino eats. There's a traditional way of eating. It's called Kamayan, and it's a communal style Filipino feast composed of colorful arrays of food that are usually served on banana leaves and eaten without utensils, sorry. This is actually meaningful because according to Philippine Primer, it breaks social boundaries and is seen by most Filipinos as a way of enjoying your food. The purpose of Kamayan is to bring everyone together. It is also a communal style food feast that is presented on a table, which I explained earlier. So you can put all types of Filipino food and seafood and serve it with rice. And the way of eating is without utensils, so you use your hands and you basically scoop it all in your hand with your fingers and just shove it in your mouth. I will be talking about the forms of entertainment next. One form of dance in the Philippines is called tinikling, which is a traditional folk dance that originated in the Spanish era. Ranica Valdevila on the culture trip stated that the name came from a long-legged bird called tickling. The dance is supposed to be an imitation of how the animal walks. Another form of entertainment is karaoke. Another form of expression is through singing. Many of the famous celebrities are known for their performance when it comes to singing. Like dancing, singing is also for entertainment, except it's found a lot at parties or events. Many Filipino households tend to have karaoke machines to use for singing. It has become an integral part of the culture. Next we will talk about the Filipino fashion. The famous wear barong, which is embroidered with patterns and has broad sleeves. Men wear button-ups that have a sequence and are see-through like sheer fabric material. A woman's dress is long with puffy shoulder sleeves and is sewn with lace material and sheer as well. In conclusion, all of these artifacts have been around for centuries and remain significant to our culture because of the memories that it stained in us growing up. Food and fashion has helped to express ourselves in many ways that have continued to inspire Filipinos in pursuing their passions. Being Filipino comes with a lot of pride because of the large community of support there is for each other. That is all for my presentation. Thank you.